as we are seeing that there are a lot of people in our society who achieved success after many failures. Do you know what is the reason? It's only one reason is they had a strong self-confidence. If
You must welcome Global Spoken English.
Good evening, everyone present here.
Good evening.
First of all, I would like to express my gratitude towards my respected teacher who gave me a very beautiful and lovely opportunity to speak on this stage. My name is Rajiv Kumar Yadav and I hail from Indara Katmas. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English from Kopagan branch. Today's my topic is self-confidence. So now I am going to deliver a little speech on self-confidence. In the starting my speech, firstly I would like to tell you the meaning of self-confidence. According to me, the meaning of self-confidence is nothing is impossible in this world and doing any work without any fear and without any hesitation. Our life without self-confidence is like a flower without fragrance. I want to say that self-confidence is the power of mind which through even God can be found. If I talk about the importance of self-confidence, then self-confidence is an answer of success, or we can say that self-confidence is the first step to succeed. If a person has self-confidence, then he has won half battle before any battle of his life. And people who have self-confidence in their daily work, such as school, colleges, business, or in their daily life, then they continuously come on the top in the world in any work given. Everything seems to go well for these people, and they also present themselves as a peaceful, serene, and victorious in everything. Self-confidential person has deep belief in himself. That's why he does everything in his life with full confidence and without any fear. So one day he definitely gets a purpose, a destination. Self-confidence is a word, but there are hiding more contexts in this word, such as improving mental health, helping people to meet their profession, and for getting the purpose or destination of students. The tense of self-confidence is more higher than the tense of drug or medicine, which is a real concept associated with mental health, well-being, and positive way in the world. Feeling and doing, both are in the self-confidence. And on the strength of self-confidence, we can face a biggest and more challenges alone. I want to say that a person who has self-confidence, he never gives up, and one day he definitely achieves success. If I ask you a question, that what is the most powerful thing in this world? Perhaps your answer must be that the most powerful thing in this world is money. Of course, money is the most powerful thing in this world. But where does it come from? Then from the sources. And what are the sources? Then sources are job, business, etc. But I want to say that we can be involver of these sources when we have a strong self-confidence. Otherwise, we cannot be involver of these sources. If I talk about the arising of self-confidence, then in some people, self-confidence arises in their childhood. And in some people, self-confidence arises with the time. My dear listeners, those children are so lucky who have got a gifted self-confidence. And through their self-confidence, they work so much hard from the beginning. That's why one day he definitely achieves success. As we are seeing that there are a lot of people in our society who achieved success after many failures. Do you know what is the reason? It's only one reason is they had a strong self-confidence. If they had not a strong self-confidence, then they would not have got success. So being of self-confidence is so necessary for every person. In my conclusion, I want to say that self-confidence arises from the determination. And every person should believe in himself that if he has determined to do something, then he should believe that I will be able to do that work at any rate in the right way. I also want to say that children who have lack of self-confidence, their parents should encourage them. And they should also try to create self-confidence in their child. Otherwise, their children's life can be ruined. Now I would like to speak a great line about my topic. One important key to success is self-confidence. One important key to success is self-confidence, and one important key to self-confidence is preparation. With this my great line, I would like to finish my speech. Thank you very much for listening my speech. Thank you.